Hello, and welcome to the British Columbia Real Estate Association's Housing Market Update for August 2022. Despite indications that mortgage rates may have begun easing from highs last month, home sales continued to quickly slide well below typical seasonal levels in July. Sales fell to 5,572 residential units, a decrease of 42.4% from July 2021, and down 12.7% month over month on a seasonally adjusted basis. For the third consecutive month, year-over-year provincial active listings rose, with active listings 28.2% above this time last year. Although active listings remain below what is typical for a balanced market, abnormally low sales activity means that listings will continue to accumulate in the coming months. Unusually low sales activity also means that the sales to active listings ratio has declined into balanced market territory for BC despite still low levels of active listings. This ratio has fallen rapidly over the last 4 months, declining from deep seller's market territory in March at the beginning of the rate tightening cycle. Certain markets and housing types are now in buyer's market territory as higher rates have choked off demand. However, there is significant variation across regions, with Victoria remaining comparatively tight and Chilliwack well in buyer's market territory. The MLS average price for the province was up 3.6% year over year in July to $923,400. A dramatic shift in the composition of home sales is occurring in some markets, prompting outsized moves in average prices since February. While prices are clearly softening, the move in average prices is more exaggerated than what market conditions would imply. As sales shift away from more expensive types of housing, the average sale price is being pulled down. Year-over-year increases in the MLS Home Price Composite Index, which is not susceptible to changes in the composition of sales, shows prices softening in most markets on a month-over-month basis, while remaining well above prices from this time last year. The HPI increased 10.3% on a year-over-year basis in Greater Vancouver and was up 18.1% in the Fraser Valley, 21.7% in Victoria, 22.6% in the Vancouver Island Board area, 13.4% in the interior, and 13.8% in Chilliwack. Now let's take a look at market conditions around the province.